am on a fitness journey, and like every fitness journey, it will have hiccups. And in this vlog, it has hiccups. We're wasting time. Hello, Hotties. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm Ali Mack, and I'm currently a 7th grade math teacher. While you're here, go ahead and click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from me. Do it now, please. If this is the first one of these you are seeing, I am on a fitness journey. I have been trying to eat less and move more and drink plenty of water because we know that a lot of the fat comes out when you urinate. That is something new I have learned within the last 2 years. I always thought it came out the other way, which we're not going to talk about that right now. I decided for this gorgeous blue lipstick because during the process of these days of this vlog, I've been feeling a little blue, and that will be revealed later on in the vlog as to why. Everything's okay now, but let's just say that there for a while I wasn't sure. I really hope that I can be an inspiration to somebody, and even though this particular vlog has some downs, I really don't want anyone to give up because I'm not gonna. I may or may not even get back into Flirty Girl Fitness. Comment below if you remember Flirty Girl Fitness. Okay, I'm ready if you are.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this lie? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb.
Good morning. We decided to change up scenery today and walk on Southern Miss campus. So I wore my t-shirt. Pretty cool, huh?
Coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body, too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Trying to get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Gonna lead a drama, cause I'm too grown. Let you deal with that alone. I'ma get back when I do, don't call my phone and don't leave the lights on for me. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body, too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? How long will I let this lie? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had.
I think I overdid it yesterday. It is so difficult to lose it, but it's so easy to put it back on. I let my face get less red after my exercise because not a very good look. I also wanted to add that I haven't been talking as much in these vlogs the last couple days because I had some bad news about my grandmother. She's okay now, but she's my last living grandmother and I love her so much, and I always worry about her when she has to have a procedure done. So I just hadn't felt like talking, and yeah. Anyway, that's where I am today. All right, that is it for this particular vlog. More to come. If you found it helpful, informative, or even entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below I guess since this was a hiccup, a dessert emoji. And as always, you all have the best day ever, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.